This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: macOS Catalina or newer and iPadOS 13 or newer, both on the same Apple ID. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff on each device. Now plug the iPad into the Mac with a USB cable for the cleanest first connection, or bring them within a few feet for wireless pairing. Make sure the iPad has at least 20% charge. This prevents interruptions while you initiate the Sidecar session. You'll open Displays in Control Center or System Settings on the Mac and select your iPad under Connect to. Alternatively, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Choose to extend or mirror your Mac display depending on whether you want extra workspace or duplicate output. Once connected, configure the sidebar and touch bar options so shortcuts appear where you expect them. Also set the Apple Pencil double tap behavior. This tailors drawing and editing to how you work. Now move Windows to the iPad and use the Apple Pencil, touch gestures, or the Mac keyboard to interact. When finished, disconnect through Control Center or simply unplug the cable. To reconnect later, select the iPad from AirPlay. If Sidecar doesn't appear or lags, try toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or restart both devices. That single restart often clears pairing glitches and restores the extend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.